Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to install the Touratech Expedition engine guard on a BMW R 1300 GS. Since my bike has Enduro package with the factory engine guard, first I'll show you how to remove it. There are 6 Torx T30 bolts on the bottom. Remove all of them in any order. The guard is held by 3 brackets with 2 T40 bolts holding each. Remove them all. The third bracket is a bit tricky. On the right side, the bolt is right behind the brake pedal. Use any metal handle or tool to hold it down while removing the bolt. And in my case, I discovered a build issue. The bolt was loose. On the left side, detach the gas tank vent hoses first, then remove the bolt and the bracket. Run a zip tie through the same bolt hole to hold the hoses in place. Don't over-tighten the zip tie. Here is everything I've removed from the bike. Now we begin the installation. First, insert the 6 rack nuts to the mounting plate. And if you are in IT and think they look familiar, yes, these are regular server rack nuts. On the bottom of the engine, unlock the cable plug by simultaneously pushing the locking hook down and towards the rear of the bike. Once the lock has disengaged, unplug the cable. Take the mounting plate and run the cable through the rear right hole on it. Then plug the cable back in. Use the 4 M8 bolts with washers to attach the mounting plate to the bottom of the engine. You'll need the 6mm hex wrench here. Take the plastic rails and screw in the 6 self-tapping screws with plastic inserts. Counting from the front of the rail, use the first, third, and the last position. The tool is a T20 screwdriver. Take the skid plate and attach it to the mounting plate with the 4 shorter M6 screws. For now, only do them finger tight because you'll need to make adjustments. When all 4 screws are in, look at the front of the skid plate. Confirm there is no gap with the mounting plate. Then place a plastic rail in its position and check that the front rack nut is aligned with the bolt hole on the rail. Adjust the nut if needed by reaching inside the plate. Once everything is aligned, remove the plastic rail, repeat on the other side. And only then you can tighten the screws holding the skid plate. The spec is 10 pound-feet. Don't over-tighten. The rack nuts are soft. Put the rails on the plate again, screw in the 2 longer M6 screws and tighten them too. That's all. Looks good, doesn't it?